What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel for a video that's gonna basically be a short video, but this is basically breaking down what I recently had done last week to the 4Runner. But this kind of goes for any car, especially in the Mustang that's on the channel. If you haven't seen that video, it is a previous video of what has been going on with the car itself, so check that video out. But in this video, we're just gonna break down quickly what I have done, and what is next for the 4Runner. But the most important mod, in my opinion, that does break the bank a little bit, but it's definitely worth it, and it is a longevity, lifetime kind of mod. The Mustang had it, so let's go ahead and get into this video. All right, so while the lighting is good, we're gonna dive right into this video. Quick side note, if you're new to the channel, I've seen a lot of people have just started subscribing because of the shorts, and you've come across these videos that are the longer videos. There are quite a few various projects on this channel. So there's the Mustang, there's a 2014 4Runner that was just lifted. There will be a video for that comparing to this one, and this 4Runner just had the final parts of the lift kit delivered this past weekend. This one's getting that Dobinson's 2.5 to 3 inch lift kit, and it has everything from the pan handbar correction kit, new pan handbar, extended brake lines, all that good stuff, ready for this to go on next week. Already made the appointment, and this is my 2002 Toyota 4Runner SR5 Sport Edition. Not that the Sport Edition part really matters, but apparently I guess it does to some people. So I picked this up last year. I haven't even owned it a year, so I picked it up back in September or early October. A very, very cheap price. And I know a lot of people are going to ask me, people have been asking me, what tires did I have on this. Previously, they were the Rocky Mountain all-terrains, but I switched last week to the Toyo AT3 Open Country. So both tires are the same size. I just went with these because they're obviously a better tire. These are a 265 70/17 on Method race wheels. And I get the question what model these wheels are. I don't know. I just know that they have them on their site. As far as I know, they still do. And the 2014 also has Method race wheels as well. So we're going to dive right into this video, going into what parts quickly that I've done to this. We have a backup camera. We have the wheels and tires. And we have the TRD gauge overlay that was just done last week. We have the Kenwood radio with the backup camera, and we have a new GoPro. So we've done the Carhartt seat covers. Those really came in handy. When I bought this was all factory. So we have the snowbound reservoir tank underneath. I'm not gonna pop the hood. I've got the spiker hood struts. What else do we have? One of the biggest mods that I like is the Snowbound Customs chase lights. So that's what that switch is. These have the Baja lights right here, and I went ahead and last week as well had this installed, the Baja rack, to kind of match it. Will I ever use it? Possibly. Maybe for an extra wheel or something, or just to put like camping supplies or something on when we go camping, which this will come in handy. There you go, chase lights. They also come in handy when people are riding your ass. You throw those on, they definitely back off. You do get the finger though, so, but don't really care about that. So the other thing that we had done here, you can kind of tell the entire RCI skid plate from the engine to the transfer case to the transmission. I did those I think late November or December last year. We have the TEQ Customs taillights. I think these, I'm not big on the look right here, the chrome, but I do like the smoked lens look. And these they don't make that many options for the 3rd gen for taillights. I wish someone made, I don't know how to, but I wish someone made the ones that the 4th gens or the 5th gens have. The 4th gens have the 5th gen style taillight. I don't know why no one's made them for the 3rd gen. But here is kind of the last stuff we did. We did I think this is a fabrication, SRB or SRQ Fabrications grill lights. So this is like you can change on the phone, or my phone, I can change the colors with the app. It has that grill, the TRD grill, the Toyota. So the front grill, very nice grill. But let's dive into the video. Kind of what we're here for is these headlights. So we have the fog lights, of course, but this came as the two-piece. So this is the kind of matches the tail lights, is the reason I did it. The headlights itself with this, the whole kit, I think was around, it cost me around $700. I didn't do like, I've seen they have like options where you can get like LEDs and all over, kind of just different variants and shrouds and cool shit like that. But I wanted it simple and clean. I'm not much into like having extra shit, so that's what I did. And the difference in from factory, when I had the factory lights in it, to switching to the Oxydo beam LEDs, which definitely improved a lot. But these overall, the retrofitted headlights are such a big step. The lighting is clear, the cutoff is clear to where it cuts off in the road. The high beams are that much brighter. I get flashed at a lot, even though I have the fog lights on as well. And then when you flash the high beams at them, they kind of stop. But these are super bright. They are super worth it. I had a set on the Mustang years ago, and I know people have heard that before on this channel, until somebody backed into one of them. And they were at the point, at that time, I paid, I think, $500 or $400 for a used set or something like that. Somebody had made a set and then didn't pay for them, and then I got like a kind of a discounted rate to go ahead and buy them. It's basically that same setup as these right here. And I just never went ahead and got another set. The lighting in the Mustang sucks. If you own a 94 to 04 Mustang, probably even the Fox body, you know that the lighting on these suck. So the 4Runner is a lot better, but now that I have the retrofits, it makes me just want to go ahead and I will probably get a set for the New Edge Mustang that's on the channel to kind of just complement it. And once that car is basically finished, that'll probably be one of the last things that I do. But overall, it definitely changes the look of this. It looks really good in my opinion. I've gotten plenty of compliments in the past couple of days about it, whether being at work or just out and about, like in the mall or something. And just at night, it's a very huge improvement. So I got these from TEQ Customs, just plugging where I got them. They are the glass housing, which I did like, because the OE headlights, I still have them, are also the glass housing. So I'm glad that I guess they take stock ones. I don't know if people will send them in and they just redo them or something like that, but I'm glad they stuck with that. And you pay for what you get, and I did have to wait a couple months. I had ordered these actually December 23rd, and got them when I traveled for work. They arrived the week that I was gone, and I got them in March. So the lead time is kind of like a couple months, but I would go ahead and make a purchase, get them, especially if you get them like, you know, at the end of the summer or something like that. I don't know what their leeway times are right now, but, you know, taking those long roads or something, back roads and stuff like that, these definitely, like, the lights are a huge difference. So that's where we have. That's where we're at with this. Lift kit will be done next week. Hopefully we don't run into any stuff or any extra things I need. I feel like I am somehow, because that's just kind of the luck here. But overall, this is the 02 4Runner. This is what I've modded it with. This is everything that I've done, and I love the way it looks. So kind of with the Mustang, make sure to check those videos out. I'm gonna get going, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.